This is Bruce on the rock. Bruce is about 2.5 years old. She'll be 3 years old this year, this summer, end of summer. So far, Bruce has 2 litters for me. The first litter, she had the litter with Redman. That's where Sorrel Red is from, her first litter. And her second litter is with Junior, the black dog. And her puppy that we still have right now is Junior, Shaolin Junior 3, the little black scare puppy. The first time Bruce was on this rock was when she was about, I brought her out here when she was like, I believe she was like about, probably about, I want to say about 6 months old. First time she came out here, she was scared of this rock right here. She wasn't a tree climber at first. She was just a scared puppy, kind of shy. But hey, she's trying to bite the red leash. She's shedding. That's why she got hair all over the weight pole harness and the collar. But she wasn't a tree climber at first. She had to learn it, and she passed that trait down to her puppies. That's why they're not afraid of heights. Good girl, Bruce. No work today, Bruce. Just walk. We gotta trim your nails when we get home. Hey, no work, Bruce. No work. Right now she's a pretty obedient dog. She listens pretty good with me. Okay, let's go, Bruce. This dog right here, this is Bruce. Also known as Miss Bruce. And what she has on is put it on pause. She's taking a shit, so I'll clean that up real quick. All right. What she has on is a weight pole and harness. That's the green thing on her back. And what's on her neck is a 5-pound weighted collar. There's the perfect combination right here. This weight pole and harness right here, it doesn't work on your dog if your dog doesn't pull. So they have to pull. If they walk next to you or behind you, it doesn't work. So there's no point in using it. When your dog walks next to you or behind you, you're better off with just a regular collar or a weight collar and another collar. This is a good workout for her. You want to build her legs back up, because a few weeks ago, probably about 4 weeks ago, I had her on the spring pole in the garage, and she got hurt working on her left back leg. Had a slight limp. I want to build her legs back up by walking her first, and then once it's healed up, and then I'll start biking her and start working her on the spring pole. So we're just gonna take this to the come on, girl. We're just gonna take this to trash can, throw it away, throw her shit away first, and then we'll go. We'll walk more around the park. Yeah, stay on the trail, girl. Let's go. Go, girl. We'll walk over here to this trash can, throw away her poop, and then we'll go around to where the pond is at. Okay, let me put this on pause real quick. Throw your poop away. We are heading towards the pond. We're gonna try to keep her on the grass for as much as possible when we're walking around the park. Come on. Yeah, if your dog has a limp or something's wrong with their leg and stuff, if you have a working dog and the limp just wouldn't go away, the best thing to do is work your dog. But keep it light. You gotta walk your dog, put him on a pre-keep. You know, do light work. That's how the dog's bones heal. If you don't do anything, they're gonna keep thinking that their legs their legs hurt. Sometimes it doesn't even hurt, but it's all in their mind. Their mind says that their legs hurt, but really it's not. You wanna work your dog. Come on, work your dog so that they know that it doesn't really hurt if they work it. Make their mind change how they think. And but also by working your dogs out. Go, girl, come on. By working your dogs out, the bones heal up stronger. That's all you need to do. Put your dog on a little pre-keep, walk them, or do light biking, trotting. That'll heal up the dog's bone. Good girl. This way, girl. Go. Go, girl. Come on. Go, girl. Come on. Pretty nice day today. It's about 60 degrees right now. Tomorrow's gonna be even warmer. We'll start our live morning workouts tomorrow. Today is Sunday. We'll start the live Monday morning. It's supposed to be nice all week. Come on, girl. We did not walk for 2 miles here. We drove here just so that we could work her at the park. I think it might have been too much if we just walked 2 miles here and 2 miles back. So instead, we're just doing a couple rounds around the park. If we go in the woods like we did and go around the pond, it'll be 1 whole mile walking around this park right here. So we'll do a couple rounds and then we'll head back, get back in the car and head back to the house. Bunch of dogs over here too. Bruce is pretty good. She's not a fight crazy type of dog, but she will defend herself. You know, if dogs don't start no trouble with her, she doesn't just go and start trouble. That's not how the way she works. She's a pretty good laid back dog. All she cares about is work. That's all she cares about. But if you mess with her, yeah, she will fight back. She ain't gonna try to get punked or anything. But she's a pretty good dog. That's why I like taking her everywhere I go when she was younger. She's a really loyal dog herself. She's just like Sorrel. The only difference is that when you let her loose, she'll run around, you know, like away from you, and then she'll come back when you call her. But she's not gonna go and start trouble with anybody. But Sorrel, if you let him loose, he won't go anywhere. The furthest he'll run is probably about 10 feet away, and then he'll stop. He won't go any further. But the only thing about Sorrel is that I wouldn't trust him if there's other dogs. You know, I wouldn't trust him. But Bruce is pretty good with other dogs. She don't cause no trouble at all. We'll go on the grass. The cement is good too because it keeps her nail trim. Come on, girl. But we want to walk her on the grass because she's pulling pretty hard. We didn't put any. Come on, girl. We didn't put any tough pads on her or anything. So we'll walk on the grass mostly. If we have to walk on the cement. Good girl, Bruce. Bruce wants to get out of the park and walk on the street. All my dogs want to do that. They don't like walking here at the park. They don't like to walk inside the park. They rather walk outside where the streets are at. I don't know why. Guess it's more exciting. Come on, Bruce, this way. Come on, this way. If we walk, we usually walk outside, walk on the street. Because most of the time when we walk over here to this park, it's mostly at night. So we never usually stay inside the park there long. We usually just do like 1-2 rounds and then we're out. We walk outside, walk on the street. Come on, good girl. Come on, this way, girl. We gotta go one more round, girl. How long has it been? Okay, 13 minutes. We're just gonna cut off here. We don't want the video to be too long because it's not live, it's just a long video. We're just showing you guys what we're doing today with Bruce. We'll start the live tomorrow morning because it's gonna be nice. We haven't worked our dogs for about a week and a half the whole week last week and then half of the previous week. We're gonna start all over again. Since we can't bike Bruce, we made a video today about her walking with the harness, with the weight pulling harness and the weighted collar. She seems to be doing really well with it. Still have a slight limp on her left back leg, but I think after walking for 1 week she'll be fine, and then we'll get her back on the bike after about a week or two. Depends how her leg is. And then as far as tomorrow's work, we're gonna bring out we'll start back out with Junior, the black dog. We'll work him on Monday, and then on Tuesday we'll go with Sorrel Red, and then after Sorrel Red we'll bring out Little Red on Wednesday, and then after Little Red we'll bring out the female Honey, the Jeep Rebel Rascal bitch, and then after that'll be on Thursday. If this girl right here looks better, then we'll bring her out on Friday. Since this is not a live, it's just a long video. If she looks better, we'll bring her out on Friday. I think we will. I think we will bring her out because her leg is not that bad. She's actually pulling pretty hard and it's not that bad. So we'll bring her out. Plus running is better, or trotting is better anyways for the dogs. They heal up better, heal up faster. So that's what we'll do if everything works out for her on Friday. We'll bring her out. That'll be 5 dogs in 5 days. And that's if the weather permits us. It looks like it's going to be pretty nice this week. It's going to be in the 60s. And let's just hope that all of a sudden the weather gets, bad or something. Let's just hope it doesn't happen. As you guys can see, the grasses are all green. The only thing left is just the trees. The trees need to grow. That's about it. But grass is green all over because of the weather we had last week. It was raining and light snow all week. But since everything's melted now, it's nice and beautiful. Salute to everyone. Hope everybody has a wonderful day, and we will see you guys tomorrow morning on our live stream.